Welcome to sixth grade social studies.
Welcome, everybody. We're so happy you're here.
Welcome.
Hi.
I am Catherine McCann. I'm one of the social studies teachers.
I'm Dan Sudlow. I'm a social studies teacher.
I'm Jenny Spitzes, and I am student teaching with Miss Swanson.
And I am Miss Swanson. I am working with Miss Bitzes and all the wonderful sixth graders that are here at Salem.
Expectations. The first one is students must be in the Google Meet on time and stay the entire time.
If you happen to get dismissed early because you're going to go complete some independent work, families, we want you to know that we do expect that the kids do that work at that time and that they still remain in the class period and they still expect to use the time that's remaining for the social studies class, even if they're not on the Google Meet at that time.
And daily attendance is essential for academic success. We cannot stress this enough. Students need to hear the directions and see the lesson in order to complete their assignments.
And students should be sure to submit their graded work. Students can submit work on Google Classroom by clicking the Turn In button when they have an assignment. It's important for them to know that they have accomplished it. Otherwise, parents, you might see a missing, or the students might see missing work or something. That's why they need to click Turn In on Google Classroom.
And sometimes it's mark as done, but usually it's turn in.
True.
So PowerSchool. This is very important because as a sixth grade student and as a parent, you're going to want to have access to the grades. So PowerSchool, we're asking students to definitely check it twice a week, at least. I mean, you might be checking it all the time. The location, though, please notice the visual there, because when you get into your Wake ID portal, its home base is where you're going to find that.
If you can't get into PowerSchools for some reason, or you can't get into home base, it's very important that you contact the front office. The front office is where you start that quest for information, and it's where you start that search for how do I get access to this. While the teachers can see it from our user end, we do not have access to it from the student or parent end, unfortunately.
In terms of what we're going to be learning in social studies this semester, we have started with geography, and that is what we're currently covering. And next, we're going to be moving on to ancient river civilizations, looking at specifically at Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus River Valley, and China.
As far as grading policy or types of work that students are going to work on in social studies, we have three areas. They'll be working on projects. They're currently working on one project called Grapes of Me. Quizzes, which will mostly be in a Google Form style, given out through Google Classroom, and then just homework, classwork participation, keeping up with what we're doing in class. We do give grades for that, so that also encourages kids to be in attendance during class. And all work will be posted and kept in Google Classroom for all teachers in social studies.
This is our communication. Please contact us if you have questions for us. We've given our email addresses out and our websites as well. If you go to the Salem Middle website, you'll see that there's a place where all the sixth grade teachers are housed, and our websites are there, and our contact information is there as well. We sure appreciate you being here with us tonight, and I'm hoping that this is helpful for you as we start this wonderful year together at Salem Middle School.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.